If you want to turn off live photos on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and go to Settings. In Settings, just tap on Camera, and from here you will find the option of Preserve Settings. Just tap on it, and on this screen just enable Live Photo. Now after you enable the toggle for Live Photo from here, then go to your home screen and open the Camera app. Then tap on the 6 dots over here. Now to turn off live photos permanently, just turn off live photos from here. And live photos will stay closed even if you close the Camera app, and if you open it again, live photos will remain turned off until you turn it on again from here. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off live photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.